Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of membership operator in Python. So we have following topics in my presentation. Introduction to membership operators, in membership operator, not in membership operator. So without any further delay, let's get started. Membership operator. It checks the availability or existence of a value in a specified sequence. The sequence may be string, tuple, list or dictionary. It may be any data type. It is fine to check the existence of a value in your sequence. So there are two types of membership operator, in operator, not in operator. Let's discuss one by one. In operator. It returns true if the specified value in the number of the sequence. If specified value is present in my sequence, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So first of all, open your command prompt. Let's do one example here. Here I am declaring one variable str which points to this string. And hit enter. Again I am declaring another variable substr. This point to this string channel and hit enter. Now I am applying here in operator. Substr in str. With the help of in operator, we can check whether this substr is present in my str or not. When I hit enter, it returns true value because this substr is part of this str. Channel is the part of this string. Welcome to my channel. So I hope this concept is clear to you. What is the use of in operator? Now talking about not in operator. It returns true if the specified value is not the member of the sequence. If our specified value is not available in my sequence, then it returns true. So let's understand with the help of an example. Suppose my substr is now I am applying here not in operator. Substr not in str. Now I hit enter, it returns true value because this substr is not a part of this string. Okay. So there are some applications of membership operator in Python. The membership operator is widely used in various fields including mathematics, computer science and artificial intelligence. So here are some examples. Set theory. The membership operator is also used in set theory. It defines sets and determines the membership of elements is present in my set or not. It is also used in programming language like Python. We have seen the example how it is used in our programming language. In artificial intelligence, membership operator is used to fuzzy logic to represent the degree of membership of an element in a set. It is also used in artificial intelligence. So overall, we can say that the membership operator in Python is a simple yet powerful tool in Python for testing membership in sequences and can help to streamline our code and increase efficiency. So I hope this concept is clear to you. We have understood about membership operator in Python. We have seen in membership operator and we have also seen not in membership operator. So I hope all this concept is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can message in my comment box. This is all for today. Thanks for watching this presentation. Have a nice day.